Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Vidyadhar here. How are you guys doing? I think everyone are fine. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is on tables. We'll see how tables works in ServiceNow. So first of all, tables means it is a collection of records. Everyone knows that it is a collection of records. So first of all, in tables, if you heard table name, you will be getting into mind that only there will be rows and columns. These are the main thing in tables: rows and columns. So first of all, rows means which comes in a horizontal. You can remember easily. And column is which one is on vertical side. So this is a easy method to remember rows and columns, isn't it? So in ServiceNow, so rows is called as records, whereas column is called as fields. So I will be going to teach only straightforward. So no any deep things I will be not teaching. So you will be getting easy. So yeah. So mainly we are not going to write much on Notepad today. So we'll go to directly on ServiceNow. This is ServiceNow PDI. I think everyone knows that. So everyone are using ServiceNow PDI. So let's go for incident table. So let's see how the table looks. You can write directly incident dot capital list. So that opens in a new tab. So this is an incident table. You can see in a header there is a number column, open, short description, caller, priority state, category, assignment groups, assigned to, updated by. This is a first row. You can see the incident number here, 48, and when it is open, date, short description is there, having problems with sales tool, performance, caller, Luke Wilson, and the priority is low. You can see the priority is different in different records. It is critical, it is moderate, it's planning, and state, category, assignment, everything is there. Okay, this is a row and this is a column. Numbers, open, short description, caller, these all are columns. And these incidents which are in horizontal, it is what it is. It is row. Okay, so we'll see here. First we'll see filter. So these are list controls. Okay, there is a view, filter, group, refresh lists, create favorite. So first we'll see on filters. Okay, so in filters, so I will tell you an example. When my manager gives me some task, he will tell that he want uh, incident which are in priority 1 means it is critical, so those incident has to be solved first priority. We have to give the first priority for the critical thing. So we will tell Vidyadhar arrange all the how many critical incidents are there. He will ask me, so at that time I will put a filter. So at that time you have to go for here, you have to click on this filter. So first we have to choose field. So field, which field we have to choose? Priority. So you can type or else you can search in the drop down. So click on priority. Here there is an operator. So this is a is operator. Is means exactly what we need. Okay, so here we have to select is and we have to select a critical. So after selecting critical, you have to click on run. So when you click on run, so you can see these many critical stage priorities are available. So you can see here out there are 27. There are 27 critical incidents are available. So this is how see the you can see the critical priority incident. Okay, so this is a one method. So here there is a all. When you click on all, so the filter will be removed. So now you can see the normal incident table full. There is no any filter over here now. So if you want, so another method to see the only critical priority means you have to go on critical here. You have to hover on here, click right click, show matching. Click on show matching. When you click on show matching, you will be seeing only critical. See, there is again 27. This is another method how you can see the priority of critical one. Okay, so my manager will tell which other priority one critical you have to see. Along with that, we need assignment group should be service desk. He will tell that assignment group should be service desk. So what we have to do now, we have to put a filter again. We have to open this. One condition is asking priority should be critical, and we have to click and he is asking assignment group. He is asking assignment group is service desk. You have to select is, and here you have to type service desk. Service desk. So after typing service desk, you have to click on run. So now you will be able to see only which is priority one of critical stage, and another one is assignment group should be service desk. Only these conditions which is going to get true. So you are going to see only 6 records in this table. This is how you can able to see the filter. This is how you have to use filter. And here if you want to remove the last filter, means assignment group is service desk, you have to remove this one. So you can see this one, this greater than symbol. So when you click on this, okay, you can see the strike mark on the condition. So this is called like breadcrumb. When you click on here, it will get removed. So first condition will be applied, that is critical one. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can use a filter condition over here. You can try applying on assignment group. Okay, assign to only Fred Luty. Okay, so now critical one. Okay, and you need service desk also. Click on show matching. Okay, now you have there is all different here. So we'll remove this one. We have, if you want to remove the service desk, you can go here and you can do breadcrumb also, or else you can click on filter out. No, sorry, no, you can't use a filter out here. Okay, we'll remove this one. Wait, I will tell you. So you have to go here and you have to do a breadcrumb only. Okay, so do here breadcrumb. I will tell you how filter out will be used. Okay, so now, yeah, you can try another thing. We'll come back, remove everything. So see, right click here, filter out. Filter out means now in this assignment group, we are clicking filter out on service desk. So when you click on filter out, you can't see a single service desk category here. So all the service desk category will be removed. That will be wiped out. Only you can see rest of them. Okay, this is how filter out works. This is the use of filter out. Filter out means not equal to assignment group, not equal to service desk. That is how filter out works. I think it is clear. So yeah, so what you see here, what we are doing here, we are applying a filter here. We are taking assignment group is what you want, service desk. You can copy and you can paste here and you can run it. So this is there, no, this is you called as condition builder. Okay, this condition is there, no, this is called as condition builder. Okay, so you have to remember this condition builder name. So we'll come back and now we'll see we have seen a matching and filter out also when you click on write. Okay, so and one more thing I want to say is wait. Now in short description, okay, let's see on short description. Okay, let's copy this performance, starting letter of performance. Okay, copy paste here and give enter. So you can see performance which starts with performance. In short description, when you search performance, it's taking that whichever short description is starting from performance word, it's showing here. You got it? Let's go back. We'll remove this condition. Okay, we'll see a different one. Okay, there is a API. Okay, we'll search API here. I think API is not there in the short description. Okay, we'll see another one. Okay, now we'll see ATF. When you click on search, you'll be seeing 2 records. This is which starts from ATF. Okay, but there are some other records which ends with ATF also, or else in middle also ATF are there. So when you click on star, see you got 3 ATF. This is in the middle. So when you type only ATF, only 2 records was finding. When you click on when you write star ATF, you are getting 3 records. That means star means contains. Whichever in short description ATF is there, so you will be getting those records as an output. Okay, so this is one more thing. Yeah, guys, I think this is all about today's class. Okay, this was a short class where we saw what is tables, and we saw rows and records, columns, fields, and we saw filters, how to use filters. Okay, so and operators. Okay, see these are operators. There are is, starts with, ends with, contains, does not contain, is not. Okay, these all the different operators are available here. Okay, I think this you can understand easily. Does not contain means it should not contain in that row, in that column, sorry. Contains means it has to contain. Starts with, as we saw this one, starts with, ends with. Okay, so is not means it should not contain, is empty, it should be empty, is not empty, it should not be empty, is anything is there, between, greater than or less than. This is all easy thing, you can try it out. Okay, and one more thing, we have seen breadcrumb also. We have seen star we have seen a contains also, how contains works when you are writing here in search. Okay, now one thing I have missed out. Right, we'll cover that also. Okay, we'll remove this one. How to remove? We have to click on all, so all the conditions will be removed. Right, so guys, there is a ascending and descending order. Okay, so this is a update date is there. Okay, the arrow mark is upside, so upside means ascending order, downside means descending order. Right click over here. Okay, sort A to Z. A to Z means from starting to end, that is ascending order. From Z to A is descending order. The dates will change from descending order. That is recent date 2026 third month 27th date. Okay, so when you want oldest date, that is A to Z sort. Okay, so you can go here and select A to Z or else Z to A, or else if you want still more easy to do, means you have to click or on updated. Again, if you click, it will be the arrow mark is changing. I guess you guys are not noticing it. Okay, this is how it works: ascending and descending order. It works on assignment group also. It works on all the headers. Okay, yeah. And one more thing, so if you want to save the filter, I will show you. So now you have put one filter over here, that is assignment group is software, and priority is critical. Okay, here there is a save button. Okay, if you save this, the filter will be saved. So when a filter is saving, you should give a name, something. What should I give? I will give as today is class. Which class is today? Today is third class, right? Yeah, today is class 3. Class 3 filter name. Okay, you can click me, visible to me only. I have to see it, or else anyone can see it, or else only group members. So I will select as everyone, and I will click on save. The filter is saved. Where you can see the filter, you have to go here and you have to see where is your filter name. It's here. When you click on class 3, the filter is applied and you are able to see only 7 records. This is your filter. Assignment group should be a software and priority should be critical one critical. You can call it however you want. Okay, I think this is all about yeah. Yeah, and one more thing is creating a favorite. So if you want to open directly this table when you come to home page, when you log into PDI, when you want to open the table which you have created yesterday, that filter directly, means you have to create a favorite. You have to select whichever you want. Done. So you have to go here, refresh it. You can see here these incidents. 7 records is finding over here. So you will be in a favorite. This condition will be you have selected in favorite, so you can see in favorite. I think you got it. So sometimes it will, you can see like this also. You can create a name, which whatever name if you want, class third favorite. Done. Okay, so when you go for home page, when you click on favorite, class 3 favorite, so it will be directly open. Okay, yeah guys, this is all about today's class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.